Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have another project to show you. These will be in my Etsy shop. I received one of the Scotch laminators for Valentine's Day from my husband, and so I wanted to try my hand at making the laminated traveler's notebooks. So I made this really cute this one is about 4 inches by 7 1/4, and then I made 2 of this smaller size. They're about 4 by 4. So I'll show you this one first. I used the Hello Spring paper that I had picked up at Tuesday morning, and this one has some pink elastic that has some silver foiling in it. I made a bow for the front, and then there is a charm here that I made, and it has 2 butterflies and then some pink and turquoise beads on it, and that's attached over here. And there's a lobster clasp there, so you can take it off and move it if you want. And then you open it up here. The first signature is a pocket, and I made this shaker pocket bookmark. The top is a shaker card, and then the bottom is a pocket. There's 2 little tags in there, and that's the back. So this is just a little bookmark that you can use in it. So there's a pocket there, and then the other side of this has a pocket. You can take this out and make it so that the pockets are on the inside of the signature, whatever you want. The paper is loose, like it's bound in there by the elastic, but all the papers are loose in there, so you can add more if you'd like. There are 4 signatures in here. As I said, the first one is the pocket signature, and it has plain 24-pound plain paper. The second signature is this print here, and it has lined paper, and there are 20 sheets in there. And then the third signature is this paper here, and it has graph paper, and that has 20 sheets as well in there. And then the fourth signature is just this print, but it's another plain signature with 10 sheets of plain copy paper. And then that is the back. I made this pen holder here, and it is a binder clip, so you can take it off and move it onto the front if you'd like. And then it includes this pink pen here. So that just wraps around there like that, and it goes right in the center. So that is super cute. And then here is the smaller one here. And it's pretty much about half the size of the larger one. The charm just has 2 charms. It has 1 butterfly charm and then a bead charm there. Has the same bow on the front. It includes a smaller little shaker card bookmark. And then when you open it up, I included a clear pocket that you can stick things in there. The first signature is plain paper, and there's 10 sheets of the plain paper in there. Here's the other side of the clear pocket. The second signature has 20 sheets of graph paper. The third signature has 20 sheets of lined paper. And then the fourth signature has 10 sheets of the copy paper. And this as well has the binder clip pen holder, and then it comes with the turquoise ink pen. So super cute. And then my third little half-size mini traveler's notebook here has the polka dot paper with the butterfly paper in the center. The charm looks like this. It's a pink butterfly charm and the little bead charm there. And you open it up. It as well has the clear pocket. And then the first signature is the plain copy paper. There's the other side of the clear pocket. And then the second signature has clear paper. And these you can all move to where, you know, whatever part of the book you'd like them to be in. The third has 10 sheets of the graph paper. And then the fourth has 10 sheets of the lined paper. And then it has the shaker bookmark as well. Oops. And then this one has a neon green pen and binder pen holder there. So super cute. Go ahead and check them out in my Etsy shop. I will leave the link for them down below. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.